got beat.
So hello guys, so nakabalik na ko diri sa Pound for Pound karon. And it's another day, another workout. Mga pila ka adlaw ko nawala, mga 5 days. Kay atong miagi na ako'y ibot nga importante personal para lang sa kinabuhi, panginabuhi. So karon it's a Tuesday of August and it's August 6. Warm up naman niya ako mga kauban diri. Mag-warm up na ko, sugod na ko warm up. So ready na sila. So, kabalo mo ko kondisyon na kay ka, kay nagamay biya ka. Tanawon din ako imong kuan diri dai. Imong tanawon ako imong pagkagamay. So dara siya. Ara yahang so maklaro ninyo kani Marble Neri. Gikan sa 95, imong 90 na siya. So dako kay nang achievement guys. So ako pud ibutang ako diri sunod. Mag-warm up sa ko kajot, okay? So today guys is a MetaFit Tuesday and mga buhaton, so doon na naman si coach, so may video ko kung saan akong makaya and let's go.
Your next exercise is walking squats. 2, 1, walking squats. 10 seconds rest. Your next exercise is split leg squat thrust. 2, 1, split leg squat thrust. Now the same 3 exercises with 30 seconds work. Your next exercise is lateral burpees. 1, lateral burpees. 5 is walking squats. 2, 1. 10 seconds rest. Your next exercise is split leg squat thrust. 2, 1. Split leg. 20 seconds rest. Finisher. 40 seconds of sprints. End of round 1. 25 seconds rest. Round 2. The same timing as last round with 3 new... 25 seconds work time. Your next exercise is 2-step side dash. 2, 1. 10 seconds rest. Your next exercise is forward caveman. 2, 1. 10 seconds rest. Your next exercise is in-out squat jump. 2, 1. In-out squat jump. Seconds rest. Now same 3 exercises with 30 seconds work time. Your next exercise is 2-step side dash.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
Side dash.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
10 seconds rest. Your next exercise is forward caveman.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
4, 3, 2, 1. In-out squat. The finisher. 50 seconds sprint.
Third round na ni.
5,
Finisher na mi. Sprint!
2, 1.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no.
Round 3. The same timings as the last 2 rounds.
Round 2 sa set
with
2.
3 new exercises.
Round 2 sa set 2 to.
Your first exercise.
So round 3 na po. Round 3. Spider planks.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Is pop-ups.
We'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Seconds rest. Your next exercise is prisoner kneel-ups. 15 seconds rest. Now the same 3 exercises, this time with 25 seconds work each. Your next exercise is fire plank.
Come to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by
10 seconds rest. Your next exercise is pop-ups.
and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds rest. Your next exercise is prisoner kneel-ups. Seconds rest. The same 3 exercises with now 30 seconds work on each. Your next exercise is spider plank. 2, 1. Spider plank. Rest. Your next exercise is pop-ups. 10 seconds rest. Your next exercise is prisoner kneel-ups.
2, 1. Last round na ni. Sprint na.
Final finisher.
Final lagi do. Final finisher, di ba? So, sprint na meron to doon.
4. Congratulations. You have now completed the MetaFit Real Workout. Welcome to the MetaPower
Survive me.
Savage
Sana
Workout.
survive me.
Warm up!
May kapoy na mi.
15 seconds.
Warm up pa to? Abi, huwag mo na to.
Round 1 pa.
Di mo na to ang third round. Last tong sprint.
4,
Kakapoy.
2, 1.
Patagko niya kung singot. Nila ako. Kondisyon ka akong kauban, no? Kondisyon. Abi. Bantog, mamubo yung kuan, yung timbang kay gabi, kondisyon. So mag-abs nami. O maningkamot ko. Maningkamot Amy. Okay na good na ni nga workout karon ng adlaw. So guys, umana may sa mo ang last na workout ang planking. That is 2 rounds of 1 minute. And hurag tas good ni siya. This is Tuesday guys. Tuesday pag ini. So paano po ni? Once a week ra po ni. So okay ra po ni nga workout. Isa pagbalik na ako okay kayo. Singot naman po kay ko. Singot na po kay siya. So, okay ran tanan. Singot na po ng nag-participar aning workout karon. Isa na ko kakauban nga kondisyon kayo na diri. Oh. Hello. Para Mr. PhilHealth man yang gapilan, Mr. PhilHealth. So guys, that was the Tuesday workout today. And kung ganahan mo extra workout, buhata lang yun sa inyong mabuhat. So ako magbuhat ko sa akong extra workout karon. So, dahil ako manon ang akong vlog. So, salamat sa inyong pagtanaw and gadus. See you in the next video. And have a good day.